Plasma membrane, also known as the cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane. It is a biological membrane that divides the interior of a cell from its outside environment. It plays a vital role in the transport mechanisms and separates the living cell from its surroundings. To perform these roles, it needs lipids, which make semi-permeable barrier between the cell and its environment. It also needs protein, which are involved in cross-membrane transport and cell communication, and carbohydrates, sugar and sugar change, which decorate both the proteins and lipids and help cells recognize each other. Protein carry out the specific function of the plasma membrane, including selective transport of molecules and cell recognition. Glycolipids. The role of these glycolipids is to maintain stability of the cell membrane and to facilitate cellular recognition, which is crucial to the immune response and in the connection that allows cells to connect to one another to form tissues. Glycoproteins are found on the surface of the lipid bilayer of cell membranes. Their hydrophilic nature allows them to function in the aqueous environment, where they act in cell recognition and binding of other molecules. Biological membranes remain fluid because of the unsaturated hydrophobic tails, which prevent phospholipid molecules from packing together and forming a solid. The hydrophilic heads of phospholipid in a membrane bilayer face outward, contacting the aqueous or watery fluid both inside and outside the cell. Integral membrane proteins, so-called intrinsic protein. It contains residues with the hydrophobic side chains that interact with fatty acyl groups of the membrane phospholipids. Channel proteins form open pores through the membrane, allowing the free passage of any molecules of the appropriate size. Phospholipid bilayer create a selectively permeable barrier to the movement of ions and molecules important for cellular function. That is what the cell membrane parts and its functions.